But I'm back on. This is Elizabeth with Dandelion Soap, and we're talking about system recovery. Ginger is really good for nausea, but ginger also warms up the system. So if you are recovering from something, um, especially with antibiotics or anytime you've been in a hospital, if you're experiencing nausea and just things are just you just seem to get sick really easy, a lot of times there's dampness in the system. It just can't get dried up. There's no fire. And what ginger does is it puts fire in the system and it kind of dries things up and gets the system rewarmed. And just gets it overall kind of adding heat, so to speak, to the system so that the motors really do have some excess energy that they can burn off. It also calms nausea, as you know. But the great thing about doing it in a tea is it's not hot. Like a lot of people will try ginger, crystallized ginger, and it's really hot. It's very heated. But you can actually drop that into your coffee or make a tea and put it in, or add it into a smoothie or something, and it will warm up the system. You can use ginger root powder. You can add it to your chicken, make ginger chicken, which is really, really good. And those will just warm up the system.